Section 3.4, Examples 5 and 6. Example 5. How long to the nearest tenth of a year will it take $1,000 to grow to $3,600 at 8% annual interest compounded quarterly? Okay, it's not continuous compounding, so we're going to use the formula you see here, and let's go ahead and substitute in our values. So we need to know what the amount we want to grow to is what? 3,600 equals your principal of 1,000 times 1 plus the rate as a decimal 0.08 over compounded quarterly. That means 4 times per year raised to the 4 times, and we don't know how many years. That's what we're trying to find out. So let's see, now we have 3,600 equals 1,000 times 1 plus 0.02 raised to the 4t power. Whoops, and that was 1,000, wasn't it? Sorry about that. Okay, so now let's keep going. 3,600 equals 1,000 times 1.02 raised to the 4t power. Okay, I'm going to need a little more room. 3,600 equals 1,000 times 1.02 raised to the 4t power. Okay, now let's divide both sides by 1,000. Okay, so then you'll have 3.6 equals 1.02 raised to the 4t power. Well, now you're probably sort of stuck. So we can take the natural log of both sides. That will certainly help out. The natural log of 3.6 equals the natural log of 1.02 to the 4t power. Now on the right-hand side, you can expand that now. Natural log of 3.6 equals 4t times the natural log of 1.02. Okay, we're getting really close, because all you want to do is isolate the t. So divide both sides by 4 times the natural log of 1.02. And you'll certainly want your calculator. So we've got t equals the natural log of 3.6 over 4 times the natural log of 1.04. And so once you use your calculator, you'll end up with t is about 16.2 years. And we have another application problem for example 6. The percentage of adult height attained by a girl who is X years old can be modeled by this function, where X is the girl's age between 5 and 15, and f of X is the percentage of her adult height. And they want to know when a girl has attained 97% of her adult height. So the percentage is your f of X, so we say 97 equals 62 plus 35 times the log of x minus 4. Okay, subtract 62 from both sides. Then we'll have 35 equals 35 log of x minus 4. Now divide both sides by 35. 1 equals the log of x minus 4. Or I can write that as the log of x minus 4 equals 1. Now to solve this, I'm just going to rewrite it in exponential form. Remember, if you don't see a base, it's base 10. So now, in exponential form, 10 to the first equals x minus 4. So 10 equals x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides, x equals 14. So by the age of 14 years, a girl has attained 97% of her adult height.